Hello everyone, welcome again. I'm back with a new tutorial video where you'll be learning how to apply for loans on Wells Fargo. First of all, you need to go to your browser and enter the URL wellsfargo.com. You'll be directed towards the official page of Wells Fargo. To apply for loans, you need to sign in to your Wells Fargo online banking account. From home page, you can hover over home loans or personal loans or auto loans. You can select any of those options which best applies to you. For example, let's say I want to take a home loan. In the drop down menu, you can see many options you can choose that best suits you. You can also check the mortgage rate or view home loans. Suppose I choose the first option where I'll be going through 3 processes. The first step is pre-qualify, where I'll be asked to input all my basic information. In step 2, you'll start your home search now while having exclusive access to one-stop real estate shopping tool. And finally, you found your home. You can submit your mortgage application. In this step, you'll be asked a number of questions which allows them to determine what you can afford. After going through all 3 steps, you are now ready to take the home loan. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next tutorial video. Till then, bye-bye.